Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech with Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the cell style on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer or PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to change the cell style on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer, I just going to show. For an example, here I just going to choose this cell style for this as a important thing. For an example, it can be choose as green, and this particular cell style can be choose it as some color like orange, and this cell style can be choose it for a neutral color. And if these are bad or not up to the mark, you can just choose it as a red color. So this is how we just select the cell style. So just select it, then click on this option on the toolbar on the top on the home section. You can just choose this option, and this is called cell styles. Click on this, and here you can find a both bad and neutral data on model like output input like that. If you just need it like this, you can just choose it. Otherwise, you can also have a lot of colors like from green, from lighter green to darker green. For an example, here I just going to choose as a lighter yellow shade. So this is how you just choose the cell style on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. Just need to click on this option, so you can just choose the cell style. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.